What's up everybody, this is Coder Guion. Welcome to my YouTube channel about the topic of software engineering. I'll be analyzing, discussing, and sometimes even interviewing the peers in this industry, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. In this first video, what I'm going to talk about is my overall experience, what I went through since I've graduated about 2.5 years ago. My first job was an internship at a consulting company, and I think that was the biggest push that I had in my career. I was working on a lot of new projects, sometimes completely from scratch, which helped me really put the pieces together. I feel like when I graduated, I have a lot of random information from school, but I didn't really know how to apply into a real problem and how to put it into one large picture. I think that's where my first job really came into the play and really helped me understand how everything worked out and what was the software engineering all about. I stayed as an intern for about a 6 months or so and then moved up to a junior developer. It was mainly about the same thing as far as responsibilities goes between those jobs, but the main important thing was that I was still learning a lot. I was still fresh, brand new, and I was just learning as much as possible. I was averaging about 65 to 70 hours a week at that point because I just wanted to get better and faster as fast as possible. And my company really noticed that I was working hard, so they helped me move up to senior developer about 4 to 5 months after I became a junior developer. As a senior dev, responsibilities were definitely much more. I got assigned to one of the largest clients in the company, and I was working on more complex features. Additionally, I was communicating directly with the clients, receiving the requirements, implementing the features, and then handing them back to the client. About 6 months after or so, I left the company and then I moved over to a financial industry, still the same role as senior developer. Financial industry was completely different atmosphere. It was about 7 of us in the team. We're all working on the one project, trying to get it out into production as fast as possible. The peers that I was working with were all senior devs, all very smart people. My manager was extremely smart guy and helping every developer whenever there was any issues. I stayed at this company for another 6 months or so, and then I moved over to where I am today at a healthcare company as a lead engineer. As a lead engineer, I do have much more responsibilities now, but I'm also enjoying it a lot more. I don't really have anybody doing code reviews anymore. I am responsible for my own implementations. I'm the one pushing out to production, and if there's any issues, it lands back to me. So yeah, definitely more responsibilities, but I feel like as a software engineer, you do have to be able to accept those responsibilities and be hungry to want to grow and move up to the next step. Overall, I have been having a lot of fun in this industry. I solve a new problem every single day. I learn something new every single day, and I completely challenge my brain every day, every second of the day rather. I personally like that a lot. If you're in school and learning software engineering and computer science, definitely stick to it. I think there's gonna be a lot of times where things don't make sense, but just hang in there, it will eventually make sense and you will be really happy when it does. In the upcoming videos, I'll be covering a lot more in depth of how I was able to get here, how I was interviewing, and give you guys some hints on how to be good at the interviews, how to beat your competition, the peers, get to the top as fast as possible. So stay tuned for those. Make sure you like and subscribe on my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a good one, everyone.